pleasure to this opening for the 20th edition of the International Workshop at the ISIDRO FERRER.
Hi! Bonjour!
My name is MALAGOLI. I'm a freelance illustrator. I come from Brazil. I was born in São Paulo and I moved to London in 2018 to focus on my illustration career. My work is about the feminine, the surrealism, the astral, the cosmos. Being with people that are always creating has like this positive energy.
Me llamo Isidro Ferrer, soy español, del norte de España y trabajo como diseñador e ilustrador. Me gusta decir que trabajo por devoración. Devoración es una palabra inventada que junta dos expresiones: devorar, comer con ganas, y adoración, que es trabajar apasionadamente.
Je m'appelle Daniela Ometto, je viens de São Paulo, Brazil.
Okay, so I'm Giovanni and I was born in Florence, but I currently live in Milan. When we were approached by intuit.lab to do the workshop, we were looking for a common ground with Daniela.
On a demandé des élèves pour faire des photos des musiciens et après on a travaillé avec la collage pour faire des trucs plus physiques, plus manuels dans les photos.
I'm Bianca Beneduci Assad, and I'm an animator and illustrator. I live and work in London, but I'm from Brazil. This week on the workshop, the students are working on visual storytelling, and they have been assigned to pick a story that is personal to them, like maybe something embarrassing or something funny or something that irritates them, and use a daily moment from their lives and transform it into a visual narrative. So they will either be producing a GIF, which is an animation, or a comic.
So my name is CHAITTALI. I live in Mumbai. I have been a designer since the last 17 years now. So my workshop topic is pretty interesting because we are creating our own country. So there are 3 groups and each group has to make a name of a country, a concept, their mission statement, along with currency and a monument. So I made them do the whole design thinking process, starting with empathy and some techniques to identify what are the problems that countries are facing today. And then through design, how do we address those? Because design can actually unite people.